Hello everyone, I'm Jhon-Jhon who will be Ed1. For today's lesson, we will talk about the relevance and relationships of ecology with other fields in this subject, environmental science. But before we start, I have some questions for you. Have you ever experienced walking through a flood? What did you feel? What can you say about the smell and the color of the water? If you examine this water under the microscope, what do you think will you see? Have you also observed garbage lying around the street? It is a common sight to see people scavenging among piles of garbage for things they can use or sell. We know that garbage that is not properly disposed is a desirable breeding place for mosquitoes, flies, and other pests as well as bacteria that can cause disease. Because of this, the rate of infections among these people, particularly children, is quite high. These are just examples of the environmental problems you have. Studying ecology makes us aware of the problems that affect our environment. It gives us information about the effects of fertilizers and pesticides on our health and ecosystem, effects of detergents and bodies of water, as well as the dangers and risks of exposure to radiation. It makes us understand the greenhouse effect, ozone depletions, and the red tide poisoning. In ecology, we do not only deal with plants and animals and their relationships, we also deal with people, their economics, politics, cultures, and social life. This is what makes ecology a multidisciplinary science. Ecology borrows from other fields of study. For instance, it utilizes mathematical tools in its quantitative analysis of pollution. It makes use of morphology, geology as basis for understanding some ecological concepts like adaptations and behavior of organisms. Today, ecology is very much linked with social sciences. We cannot solve our environmental problems unless we look into the socio-economic, political, and social aspects of our society. Our environmental problems are very much rooted within the structures of the society.